Today we're going to be looking at the SMOVE Tabletop level tripod. Keep watching the video. Welcome back. It's Jeff Lepard from jefflepard.com, and on this channel we do product reviews, do-it-yourself videos, vacation videos, and so much more. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. So I just purchased this SMOVE Tabletop level tripod from SMOVE, and I'm really excited. As you know, you may check out the other videos, I have a SMOVE GoPro mobile gimbal, and I absolutely love it. I think everything of the world about it. It's amazing. So nevertheless, I bought the tripod to go with my SMOVE gimbal. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just gonna unbox it for you, just to show you what we got inside. This is great. Just gonna see what we got here. Okay, so it's in a nice little package. Okay, so there it is here. Now, I will say you can use your phone with this, or you also can use a camera. We got our instructions here. Just put this down. We got a little holder if you want to strap that around your wrist. And there's also a remote in here, a Bluetooth, wireless remote that you can use. So this is really nifty. So what you got here, this thing folds out, and just the feel of the material is absolutely amazing. I mean, it is really high quality. You can also adjust the the length that you want if you're trying to adjust. So you can just press down on these little clips. So that's really nice. And how this works here. So you can just screw in any camera that you want to use, and when you're going to use your phone, what you do is you just, it's pretty simple. It just folds right out, and then you can just use it that way. I'll show you how to do that. I'm just going to switch the camera around so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm just, I've got this in front of the camera now. So here you can see this is where you would screw the camera in, and when you want to put your phone in here, it's quite simple. It's got a really strong spring load. You're just gonna pull on this part's gonna go up, and now this will hold your phone, and it's self-adjustable to any phone. It holds quite a large phone. So you just pull that up, put your phone in, and it's going to clamp down on your phone, and away you go. You can adjust your lengths, of course, with these, and depending on how high you want the feet, you can adjust everything. It's got a self leveler as well you can use, so whether you're using the camera or not, you can see you got to see if you're leveled or not right there. Absolutely love it. I can't wait to do this. This is going to help me for YouTube videos, especially when I'm filming myself or going live on YouTube. This is definitely handy, and I don't have to worry about the SMOVE mobile gimbal falling over now that I have this stand. If you're interested in maybe purchasing one of these items, I'm going to leave a link down below for you to do so. And I'm also going to give you a coupon code that's going to get you $15 off your order, or any order you buy from SMOVE, $15 off. All you got to do is use my name in capital letters, Jeff Lepard. I'll leave that down below as well. So hopefully you can check it out. Maybe you might want to purchase one. So that's it. I just want to thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bash that bell to turn notifications on for all upcoming videos. Give me a thumbs up, like the video. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what gimbal you're using, or if you may be considering purchasing a SMOVE. We'll see you next time on the next video. jefflepard.com. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.